The Olympia LVR laser technology is revolutionizing the ice arena industry. This state-of-the-art laser-guided ice leveling system creates perfectly flat and level ice every time. The Olympia LVR laser eliminates operator error, ensures consistently level ice, and cuts costs dramatically. The system is technologically complex. The operation is simple. In fact, after benchmarking the highest point of the ice floor, the system does all the work. When the operator turns on the Olympia LVR system begins operating. When the Olympia drives onto the ice, the laser transmitter is automatically engaged. All the operator has to do is steer the Olympia around the rink and control the floodwater rate. If you have the Olympia speed-related floodwater system, all the driver has to do is steer. The result will be the same every time out, a perfectly level sheet of ice.
The guys playing hockey, I think the older guys like it because it's just a smoother sheet of ice, and it seems to be a harder sheet of ice too. We used to have a lot of cut marks and stuff in it, but now it seems to be a lot smoother and harder.
A laser emitter is mounted on the side of the arena above the glass level. The laser provides an accurate and constant reference point above the ice surface. On the Olympia is the laser receptor, which reads the laser beam. While underneath the Olympia, in front of the conditioner, the ice level sensor reads the current ice level. The Olympia LVR automatically adjusts the blade to cut the ice to within a half a millimeter of the set level. The depth of cut can be set from between 0.5 to 2 millimeters. Once the ice is level, the normal cut is a mere half a millimeter.
We don't have to worry about our part-timers shaving the ice out because they don't know what they're doing. This system, it just saves any guesswork of how thick the ice is or worrying about shaving your lines out or anything like that.
Every time you resurface, the blade will only remove the precise amount of ice required to return the sheet to a perfectly level flat surface. All the operator has to do is steer the Olympia and control the water flow.
It's a lot easier to do your flood because you're not worrying about taking your blade up and down to save the ice or shave a bit more off. It's taking the guesswork out of keeping a smooth sheet of ice. There's no more guesswork. You just get on and drive.
There are multiple benefits to the Olympia LVR system in addition to perfect ice. The Olympia LVR allows you to maintain your ice between 25 millimeters to 37 millimeters, reducing the workload on your compressor and condensers, saving energy costs. The half-millimeter cut dramatically reduces the amount of snow taken off and reduces wear and tear on the blades, thus extending blade life by 50%. The thinner cut means less floodwater use, which means a major cost savings for people using a reverse osmosis deionized water system. Less floodwater means a faster freeze and less load on your water heaters and dehumidifiers, thus saving more energy. The Olympia LVR also frees up ice time for rental by eliminating the need for weekly ice maintenance. The need for edging can be reduced from daily to twice a week. The Olympia LVR system has a breakaway receptor designed to safeguard the equipment, along with completely modularized components for easy swap-out if necessary, and a manual override. The Olympia LVR laser leveling system produces perfect ice every time.